welcome back to my channel, Much Love Gracie. So this is a continuation of my previous vlog, and if you've watched that, I've mentioned there that I'll be doing grocery today, but this time I'll be doing it in a different way. And ayun, actually guys, I've heard this application na before, but I haven't tried it. And I just got curious kasi I'm hearing good things about it, how convenient it is. And ayan, so I'm trying it out. So the first thing that you have to do if you'd like to try this is, of course, you have to download it from Play Store, and for Apple users, sa Apple Store tayo, ganun. So ayan, dinownload ko na siya kanina. So ayan siya. So press ko lang yan, and the first thing that you will be asked is to put in your cell phone number, your mobile number, for verification, of course, and then you have to create your login. You have the option to create a different login, or you can use your Facebook account to sign in. So, ayan. So, mag-grocery tayo. Marami siyang options, actually. So, merong groceries, and then, ayan, merong groceries, and then merong food. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa groceries, and ang familiar lang ako dito is Shopwise, SNR, Membership Shopping, and Robinson Supermarket. Pero meron din ditong Alabang Fresh Market. So, medyo malayo na to sa aking area. So, ayan. So, SNR, Shopwise, Robinson Supermarket, and then ito yung sinasabi ko sa Alabang. So, I'll try Shopwise. And what's good thing about it is, ang sabi dito, earliest delivery today is 7 to 8 p.m. So, naka-indicate na siya dito sa taas. And then, ayan, may categories na siya, so you can sort things. And they have promotions, they have alcohol, they have baby care, whatsoever. So, ayan, nakalagay na siya dito. Okay, actually, malapit lang naman yung grocery. Diyan, isang tricycle lang, Walter Mart ka na. Pero, gusto ko lang tong i-try. Ayan, for experience, ganun. So, ano ba yung mga bibilin ko? Actually, ang mga wala kami right now is household and cleaning. So, ayan, naka-indicate din siya dito as part of the category. Siyempre, ayaw na naman yun. Ayan. Ayan. So, after, let's say, for example, pumili ka na ng category, pwede mo rin siyang i-filter. Ayan. So, filter if it's baby milk powder, if it's feeding, nursery, feeding and nursing foods and supplements, laundry and detergent. Ayan. So, pwede mo siya rin i-filter ng ganun. And then, ano pa ba? Pwede mo rin siyang i-sort ng, ayan, popularity. And then, yung price, low and then high. Nakalagay din siya dyan. And then, ano pa ba yung nakita ko? Ayun, meron din siyang search button. So, kapag tinatamad ka ng mag-scroll up and everything, so, meron kang option para mag-search dito. Ayan. And then, type mo lang. Let's say, for example, sa akin, ayun yung aking mga recent search. Nakakatuwa kasi meron siyang mga price na rin. So, alam mo na kung ano yung magiging total bill mo. So, yun. Babalikan ko kayo, guys, kapag nakapamili na ako. Pero ganito yung itsura niya pag mag-grocery ka na. Balik ako, ha? Mamaya. Medyo, ano siya, time-consuming. Kasi nga, syempre, first time ko pa lang mag-grocery. And medyo marami ring walang item na gusto ko. Like, yung mga laundry soap, ganyan. Wala yung kala. So, nag-tide na lang muna ako. And, ayan. So, ngayon, nasa ano na ako, snacks and sweets. So, naghahanap ako ng mga pambaon ni Evo. Hirap ng may estudyante. Tsaka, pambaon na din namin ni Daryl. Actually, snacks ni Evo, snacks na din namin yun. Ayan. Tapos, mga chips ni Daryl. Kasi, minsan di kumakain ng dinner yun. Parang, minsan okay na siyang kumakain siya ng chicheria. Diba? Ang napaka-healthy ng lifestyle. Check natin kung meron ditong Human Nature sa health and beauty nila. Oh, in fairness, may Human Nature. Ayan. So, sana merong ano, yung toner na binibili ko. I'm hoping. Balancing face. Ay! O, diba meron? Ayan. Ayan. O, diba? Perfect, diba? So, bili tayo yan isa. Baka bumili na rin ako ng ano, ayun, meron din silang Itong ano, facial wash. Ayan. Taan nyo ba siya? Ito, ayan. Iniisip ko pa kung may nakalimutan ako. Palaman pala. Cheese Whiz. Pero ditong peanut butter na naka-sale. 128. Tapos, ano, may discount. 25 cents. Ang kulit lang niya. Check natin kung nakamagkano na ako. So, meron na akong total is 2,056 and 20 cents. Ayan, mag-check out na ako ng items na grocery ko. So, reviewin ko lang very quick. So, total is 2,067 and 20 cents yung total. Pero meron siyang delivery free which is for 49 pesos. And mawi-wave siya kung na-reach ko yung 3,000. Kaya lang wala na akong maisip na bilihin. And then merong concierge fee silang tinatawag. Our concierge team takes care of your order from first click to delivery. So, of course, yung mga grocery for me, ayan, may bayad din sila and that's for 99 pesos. So, I got it. So, check out. And then, after that, kapag mag-check out ka na, you have to put, of course, yung address. So, lagay ko na siya dito. Building or street name. And then, for payment method, you have the option for cash on delivery or you can use your card. So, loading na siya. Okay. So, ayan. Thanks, Gracie. We got this. A confirmation email is on its way. So, today, 8 to 9 p.m. Shopwise. And then, naka-indicate na yung aking address. And then, track order. Ayan. So, ito lahat ng mga items na binili ko. So, ayan, nakalagay worth 2,215 and 20 cents. Ayan. So, ayan, antayin ko na lang dumating yung aking groceries na in-order through Honest Bee. Hey guys! So, ayan, nandito na yung pinadeliver namin. So, update lang. And, may mga items na wala. Pero, nag-send sila ng message na pwedeng i-replace na item. Ganun. So, antayin lang natin kasi paakyat na sila. May eco bag pang kasama.
Wow.
So, ito na siya, guys. honestbee.ph. Thank you so much for fast transaction. So, syempre, kapag grocery, kailangan na natin siyang ayusin. So, papakita ko na guys, hindi ko na i-haul kung ano yung mga binili ko kasi it will take time and wala, parang ang haba na naman ng vlog ko. So, ayun. Most of the items that I bought, itong mga chips, kasi ayun yung favorite ni Daddy, pangtawid gutom niya. So, actually, isang eco bag, puro pagkain ay. So, feeling siguro nung grocery for us, nagtatayo kami ng sari-sari store, Ayan. And then, dito naman sa other bag, ito, frozen goods, like ham and chicken nuggets, yung favorite ni Evo. Then, dito, ayun, mga biscuit pa rin. Sa second, na to ha, eco bag. Yun. So, actually, more of, pa din siya. Ayan, mga chips. And, siguro nagpabigat lang dito tong, vinegar. And, itong ketchup. Tapos, ayan, peanut butter. Fresh milk, as usual, ni Evo. Then, other stuffs, ito, naka-plastic na to. Ano naman to? Mga detergent powder, Dawn Rocks, and then bumili ako ng requested dating trash bag. Large naman to. And, sobrang natutuwa talaga ako kasi meron akong itong face toner and ng facial wash ng Human Nature. So, hindi ko na kailangan pumunta sa Walter Mart para bumili nito. So, ayun lang. So, later na lang guys yung final thoughts about my experience, using Honest Bee application. Laters. So, now, let's move on na sa ating honest review. Yes, honest review. So, share lang yung experience ko with the with using the application. So first thing, it's very convenient. The application, you can just download it and then simply follow the instructions, like put your cell phone number, then you will be receiving a verification code, and then of course you have to create an account, but you have the option to sign in using your Facebook account. So yun yung ginawa ko. There's list of stores that you can purchase an item. So since ang ginawa ko is for grocery, and ang pinakamalapit sa area and familiar ako is Shopwise. So yun yung pinili ko. And then the application is very user-friendly kasi they have the categories, they have the option to filter, to sort the items that you'd like to purchase, like items in promo, items na from highest to lowest price, ayan, naka-indicate din. Then you have the option as well to search yung specific items na gusto mo. So, dun muna tayo sa mga positive side, mga pros muna tayo. And makakatipid ka kasi of course, kapag nasa grocery ka, diba, syempre, umiikot ka. So, may mga tendency talaga na may mga items kang malalagay sa cart mo na really not necessary. So, additional expense yan, of course. Unlike with the application, so alam mo lang naman kung ano yung mga bibilin mo unless masipag ka at mag-browse ka ng mga items they have in store. If you have the whole day, then go ahead and do it. Pero ako, sa oras ko ngayon, parang napaka-limited. So, it's good thing na rin that they provide options. Say, for example, the items that you order is not available, so they will provide an alternate. So, nagsisend sila ng message. So, yun yung na-receive ko kanina. So, ayun. Nag-okay lang naman ako kasi, syempre, ayoko naman ng pahirapan sila. Kung convenient para sa akin, bakit naman hindi natin gawing convenient din para sa kanila? Yes. And what else pa ba? Ayan. So, they can, for payment method, you have the option for cash delivery or cash on delivery or credit card, ganun. Ang maganda lang din is, ina-update ka nila from time to time kung on the way na ba, kung the item has been delivered, ganyan. So, that's a good thing, of course. Meron silang eco bag na pre-provide. Isipin mo, di ba, pag bibili ka ng eco bag sa, halimbawa, SM, you have to pay for it like 35 pesos, 49 pesos. So, inisip ko na lang din na, oy, it's a good deal. Kasi, though I've paid for concierge for 99 pesos, then, they have provided 2 eco bags. Parang, okay na din naman. Ayun lang. Tapos, sayang hindi ako nakaabot ng 3,000 kasi, na-mention ko na ata, pag worth 3,000, merong mawi-waive yung delivery fee. So far, maganda yung experience ko with the application. Siguro, konting cons lang with using Honestbee. Limited yung items na meron sila. So, ayun lang. So, I would definitely recommend Honestbee. So, try nyo mga besh. Matutuwa kayo. Next time na try ko naman magpa-deliver ng food. So, let's see kung anong experience natin dyan. So, ayun lang guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, that's
Much Love Gracie.
Much Love Gracie. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!